Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to view contacts stored in Google account on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, knowing how to view contacts stored in your Google account provides convenient access to your contact information, ensures data synchronization across devices, and offers various tools for organization, backup, and collaboration. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first, please open settings on your device. Well, and then scroll down so you can choose Google option. Well, and then click manage your Google account option. So now slide please to the people and sharing menu, then select contact here. Well, and here will be there all of contacts stored in your Google account. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to view contacts stored in your Google account on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.